How would you like to eavesdrop on a secret trading room where an elite group of traders and investors discuss their trades every single day and make a killing in the market while doing so? This is a chance to peek behind the doors of a private gathering of expert traders for the first time ever. You're going to be able to hear them discuss their daily setups, the setups that give them the potentially largest returns. They're going to evaluate the markets, evaluate the charts and the price movement, and then game plan out their day. This could be the most profitable investment group that you've ever heard of. Tyson Clayton here, and I'm going to let you in on a little bit of a secret. So if you're in a public area or at work or maybe listening over speakers, I encourage you to put on your headphones and make sure that nobody's looking over your shoulder. Because what I have to tell you is very sensitive information and it's way too profitable to reveal to the public at large. You see, a small group of elite investors meet together every single day to discuss the stock market open. And before the bell, they evaluate all their opportunities in both the market, the stock markets, and the Forex markets. But they also pour over data in the futures market. They scan across multiple sectors and assets, including stocks and bonds and options and ETFs and currencies, pretty much everything in between. They identify the most favorable investment strategies for the day. And once the stock market opens, they look across the big moves and they look to make money as fast as humanly possible. In less than an hour, they have their trading plans with their stops, their targets, their entries, and then they start to execute their plans. Finally, they meet together when the market wraps up. They look at their final plays and they go over what's worked for the day. They discuss their trading plans, so essentially to make sure that they're not leaving any money on the table. Some may be at their beach house in California. Some may be in New York City. Maybe some are on their ranch in Argentina or in France. They could do it really from anywhere in the world as long as they have an internet connection. They could even be doing it sitting at the pool. They all have busy schedules, but for them, they meet as a group so they don't miss out on any opportunities within the financial world. This is really, really important information, but here's the catch. I'm probably not even supposed to reveal this to the public because this is a closed group. Right now, fewer than 200 people are granted access to this amazing group. But in a few minutes, I'm going to reveal how you can get private access and an invitation to this elite trading group. And if you qualify, your membership will allow you to listen to their discussions and even find out their trading plans every single day. Plus, as a member, you'll gain access to some elite technology and have an edge over really all the other traders out there in the world. Imagine for a moment what it would be like for a veteran trader to look over your shoulders and to guide you each and every day, to listen to their daily discussions of their setups, to see what they're looking at and how their charts look, to see what their minds are thinking about and the things that they're looking for in the markets, and specifically help you find the best opportunities to look to buy, sell the targets that you have in place. Keep in mind, this is not a canned presentation of stock picks or anything canned or any type of webinar or newsletter media program. These are real traders in private meetings discussing real trading strategies and investments for real traders. These are returns that only a select few individuals in the world can get, and they're truly astonishing. Like John, he wrote, his biggest week ever was performed in this group. He made $15,974. Or Alan, he wrote he sold calls on a stock called Splunk, SPLK, this AM, and he made $3,783 in one morning. Likewise, Cornell was in this group and he made $32,000 in one account and $6,000 in another account, all within 1 month. And my personal information will also grant you full membership with this group so you can prosper also. That means you can ask questions and even report your own successes. You'll be able to see the charts. Plus, we've arranged that you have the same trading technology so you can help find the best trading ideas. This is really the proprietary secret weapon for scanning for the best opportunities on the planet. Now, a word of caution. Investment societies like these are often extremely expensive to join and a very rigorous admissions process. You pay $5,000 or $10,000 to even apply to be a part of these exclusive groups. And often you have to bring very unique investment ideas to the table. But here's the strange thing about this group. This is a group of individual successful traders. They don't want their proprietary strategies to be out there and widespread amongst everybody. They only grant limited number of attendees and a limited number of group members into the sessions. Those who deserve a break are invited in, who have worked hard and could finally use a little bit of an advantage to have the markets work for them. Because oftentimes the markets seemed rigged, and based on our data analytics, regression analysis, and investor matrix, we think that this group is best fit for you. So I'll make one of my personal platinum invitations available for you. All you do is you pay 97 cents for 7 days, and that'll give you a ticket into this group. That way you can see this group, you can meet them, they can trade in front of you. After those 7 days, you decide if you'd like to continue the trading room or not. And if we decide it's the right fit, you won't pay $10,000 or even $5,000 to gain admission to this investment club. You'll pay only $199 a month. It's far less than the value of a lucrative trade plan or ideas that you can get other places. But this is taught by specific professional traders. And here's the bonus. As a member, not only do you gain access to the trading sessions twice every day, every week, we're also arranging a way for you to get the proprietary technology which takes all the guesswork out of trading and lets you trade like a seasoned professional. Our group considers the ultimate market scanner their secret weapon. It's the way that they've helped cut through the market clutter and find the best trades in seconds. Basically, it scans the entire market of stocks, ETFs, Forex, and everything in between and finds the best opportunities. It looks through thousands of investment options, and in one click of the button, you automatically have that. And I'm going to give that to you absolutely free with your membership. It's just $199 per month, and you'll get a full-fledged membership after your 7-day trial. You can join every meeting. You have access to our best ideas. Of course, you can cancel at any time if you decide you've made enough money and the ideas of the group are no longer valuable to you. The best part is you can use this group and our technology to help your trades. Even if you're completely new to trading and you've never traded stocks before, people of all experience levels are prospering and gaining huge insight. Like Michael, he said he was up $4,000 in 2 weeks. He said, I love stocks. What about Lance, who said his entire portfolio is up 30%? With great results like these, maybe you might be thinking there's some catch. Well, here's the catch. Kevin Dixon, who runs this group, will not allow this group to get too large. For one, if it's too large, it becomes unmanageable. But even more, if word gets out of his best ideas, like his 357 proprietary trading strategy, it could hurt the entire group's profitability. And he doesn't want to do that. So he's strictly limiting the access to new members that he will allow. And even if my platinum invitation, if this group gets too large before you sign up, you could be denied admission. I encourage you to act right away. If even you've thought about getting involved in trading and investing before, if you know there are individuals out there making money, now is the time to join. Now is the time to get push button trade ideas and trade with profitable professionals. Just activate your 7-day trial and see for yourself. It's less than $1. We're talking 97 cents. If you aren't ready for the level of profitable trades the group can give you Monday through Friday, no problem. We can simply part ways as friends and you won't see another charge. If we as experts are ready to turbocharge your returns, then you can continue and become a full-fledged member. But the only way to ensure that you even have a chance to be a full-fledged member is to say yes to my invitation by clicking on the button below. This reserves your spot and activates the 7-day ticket into this group. Remember, you get an exclusive access to this private group every single day. You'll get our morning session even before the market opens and during the first half an hour of every trading day. Plus, you'll gain access to the afternoon sessions for 1 hour after the bell closes. You'll get trades in the evening, and we insure you for the biggest opportunities that are on the table for the upcoming day. You'll hear every trade setup, every investment idea, every buy level, profit target, and you'll be a part of an amazing group. And finally, you'll get our ultimate market scanner, which takes all the guesswork out of the market. You'll find the best setups with one click of the button. But you only get this if you act right now before it's too late. It's just 97 cents to get in for 7 full days. Plus, you get access to the Ultimate Market Scanner, the trading tool that scans for you and identifies the best trading setups with the greatest profitability and the biggest returns. It's our group's secret weapon, and it's yours as part of this membership. After those 7 days, you'll pay $199 a month as a support fee for full membership. But there's no risk, no obligation. You can cancel at any time if you're not seeing any returns or you're not satisfied. So go ahead and click the button below and get one of those spots as long as they're available. We start every weekday at 7:45 a.m. Now the question is will you be there? P.S. Yes, behind the closed doors, traders share things they won't share in public. Certainly not on the cable news or channels that you're watching. Not even in financial newsletter. They keep their best trading ideas to themselves so they don't get leaked to the general public. That way they ensure that they keep their biggest profits. But we want to expose that. We want to open up the doors to you. For instance, Kevin specifically told me he hasn't revealed his 357 strategy outside of the group. He doesn't want to sacrifice the profitability for himself or the group. His trading technique works because no one else knows about it. It targets inefficiencies within the market by factoring in price levels the rest of the crowd are going for. If the crowd even got wind of it, the strategy won't work anymore. That's why this group is so exclusive and so lucrative to its members. Membership allows you to hear the best ideas from real traders discussing real trade strategies that you won't hear anywhere else in the world. The only place you'll hear about them is in the special session. You'll gain the privilege of hearing the best trades from the most favorable setups in the entire world in all asset classes. And the ideas are basically served to you on a platter. So claim your spot now while you still can.